Njengoba umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kulindeleka amemezele ikhabhinethi lakhe likahulumeni wehlandla lesikhombisa elihlanganisa amaqembu ezombusazwe ahlukahlukene, iCOSATU ithi nethemba lokuthi uhulumeni wobumbano uzobeka phambili izidingo zezisebenzi.
COSATU welcomes the GNU's declaration of intent commitment to protect workers' rights and to engage with labor, business and civil society on the GNU's policy platform that was included in the differences to the Federation its concern.
Lo mfelandawonye wezinyunyana zezisebenzi uthi nakuba ukwamukela ukuthi iDemocratic Alliance izoba ingxenye kahulumeni wobumbano kodwa ihambisani nemigomo yayo ithinta izisebenzi.
If the DA is to be part of the GNU, then it must abandon its anti-worker and anti-transformation agenda.
Kanti-ke iCOSATU ithi nethemba lokuthi i-ANC ngeke ikushaye indiva yakuthembisa izakhamuzi zakuleli kusomqulu wayo wezethembiso zokhetho ngoba uqukethe imbono yezisebenzi.
As workers, we contributed to the ANC manifestos. As President Mike has said, it is unfortunately that we're in a situation where we are today with the government of national unity, where it involves almost about, this morning they were saying it's about 10 parties in those who are there. But we would be very happy if the ANC manifesto not being thrown into a dustbin.
iCOSATU ithi ilindele ukuthi uhulumeni wobumbano usheshise izinhlelo zokukhuliswa komnotho uma seqokwe ikhabhinethi.